The Chaos Knights, also known as Renegade Knights, Demon Knights and the Questa Traitoris in High Gothic, are Imperial Knight combat walkers that their fallen noble pilots and knight houses corrupted to the service of Chaos. Humanoid war engines that tower over their foes, each Chaos Knight carries an army's worth of firepower upon its weaponized limbs and hulking carapace. In close quarters, their roaring Reaper chainsaws and crushing Thunderstrike gauntlets destroy what their trampling feet cannot, scattering terrified survivors before their unstoppable advance. The ground shudders beneath the godlike tread of the Renegade Knights. Even one such looming war engine possesses the firepower to annihilate entire regiments of enemy warriors, pick apart armoured columns, and swat squadrons of aircraft from the skies. Chaos Lords and rebellious demonoggers will go to great lengths to secure the service of such a lone warrior, sacrificing whatever they must to ensure that the god of destruction fights at their side. Deployed in great number, the Questa Traitoris are more than fearsome still and have been known to bring entire worlds to heel, scouring them by blade and flame in the name of the dark gods. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.